Welcome to Huntingdon Way in SA2. The property behind me, I'm lucky enough to showcase. It's a 4-bed detached property with planning. Sounds of interest? Sit down, enjoy the tour. Property already offers a generous footprint to the ground and first floor levels. However, we do have planning permission, giving an additional 72 square meters to the side elevation. I've got something very special to show you busy working families out there. To the rear garden, we have 2 units, one to behind me and one to my left, fully kitted as an office or potential games room, but use them to your own advantage. Fantastic family home in a very sought after location. This 4-bedroom detached is ready to view. It's a great opportunity for those looking to put their footprint in this area. Please let us know when you are ready to view. I'm Davs BS, my latest listing, and I'll see you soon.